Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make Totinos pizza rolls, or how to microwave them. First, get your plate. Alright, I got my plate. Stupid. Nice plate. You know, see my phone inside. Alright, just open this. Alright, hold up. God, why is it so hard? Alright, so you got the bag, and then just, stupid. Oh. Alright, so today we're going to be making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 today. Get out of here. Alright, so guys, yeah, this is the Pop-Tart making area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. Alright, I'm making 11. Alright, today we're making 11. 11. Alright, so first, this is the hardest step. Okay, I got it. Alright. So now you close it. It's really hard. Wait. Oh my God. You see now? Okay, microwave. I suggest microwaving it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright? That's what I suggest, but I don't know what you guys put, so it don't really matter. But yeah. We wait now. So, what do you want to do? I mean, you guys don't have to put on 3 minutes and 30 seconds. You could either do 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I think 2 minutes and 30 seconds is the best, so, okay, so what are we going to do now? Get out of here. No one likes these. Y'all see anything up there? No? Alright. So, y'all want some rice? Alright, no, you don't. Let's see what's in the freezer. Y'all want some ice cream? Some ice cream in here. Here. I'm gonna get some for y'all. Just 1 minute now. Right here. I gotta. Alright. Here. Just open it for you. Yeah, I'm opening it, alright? Chill. Here. Open, stupid. Where'd it go? Yeah, okay, guys, it's fine. I opened it. Here. Oh. You want some? Here. Yeah, eat. Okay? You can eat your pizza rolls when it's done. Eat. Eat. Why? Stupid. Oh my God. Some of y'all maybe have a fear of holes. So yeah, I'll just skip like 20 seconds because I'm doing this. You know what? Skip 10 seconds. Alright, so your pizza rolls are almost done. Then you can enjoy them. Y'all maybe not like me for this, but I don't like pizza rolls that much. Alright, it's gonna end in 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay. God, it's so hot. Yes, use the ice cream cap. Stupid ice cream cap isn't helping. Ha! Alright. Time to eat a pizza roll. Here, you eat some. Oh, you don't like it? Where'd it go? Oh. What is that? Wait. Oh! No! Ah! No, please!